I learned this recipe from a Korean restaurant owner and never stopped making it. I have a kilo of pork ribs here and I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces. Once that's done, take it out to season. First, add salt to taste, a teaspoon of paprika, black pepper to taste, and 4 crushed garlic cloves. And tell me where you're watching us from so I can send you a big hug and thank you for watching our recipes. Now squeeze half a lemon. Then add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix until the pork ribs are all coated in the starch. Then fry in a pan of hot oil. Add it piece by piece. And stir from time to time. When it's fried like this, you can take it out and set it aside. Next, add 3 cloves of chopped garlic to another pan of oil. Let the garlic fry. Then add 3 eggs and stir gently. When it's fried, add half a chopped red onion, a cup of chopped green beans, a cup of carrots cut into thin strips. Add half a red, green, and yellow bell pepper. Add a cup of chopped cabbage and stir. Let it fry for 5 minutes. At this point, you can add 3 cups of cooked rice. Add a teaspoon of salt and a pinch of sugar. Add 6 tablespoons of soy sauce and stir well to mix the seasonings. This rice is a big hit when we make it here at home. There's nothing left over. Now let's return the pork ribs to the pan. Keep mixing. And add chopped spring onions to taste. Now all you have to do is serve this marvelous dish and make your guests, your family, whoever you are, happy, because it really is very delicious. What rating does this recipe deserve, my loves? Look how wonderful it is. Everyone will love this recipe and you'll get lots of compliments. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.